I'm going to show you today on how to ceramic coat your wheels with the Drive Auto Appearance 10H Victory ceramic coat. Few steps. Oh yeah, it's flipped backwards. But the link to get this bottle is going to be in the description below, and we're going to show you how to use this stuff. So first things first, what you want to do is actually clean the wheel. We just pulled it off. It hasn't been driven, but we're just going to clean it with some wheel cleaner. Oh, you can't see that. That sucks. We're using the Drive FE brake dust cleaner. Now that we've got all this cleaned off, what we're going to be using now is a prep spray, which if there's anything that was left with the wheel cleaner, this will clean everything off and it'll make everything tacky enough. It'll be clean enough for the ceramic to actually stick onto it and bond to it. Now that everything's been cleaned off and detoxified, now what we're going to do is actually work from back front. You want to drop it on your applicator pad a lot. You really want to make it nice and wet so everything can get coated and lubricated properly. So the way you're going to do this is you're going to do this all in one pass. Don't lift up. Part's done. That's done with that. While that's going on, we're just gonna go over gonna let that all cure over, and then we're gonna come over here. And now, with one coat being done, what we're gonna do is again work back to forward, back to the front. It's had its time to dry off. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna buff it off. I said you hate me, and you hate me.
too busy hating.
Huh?
He's too busy hating.
So it's day 2, different garage, and I'm actually gonna be ceramic coating, protecting my buddy's work wheels. And I know it's not interesting, but I'm just gonna give a time lapse of how I'm doing this. We've already talked about how to do it with the Volt T37s yesterday, and today we're just doing another time lapse and kind of go through the process of how everything's going on. By the way, in a future video, once we get this all sorted out, you're gonna see those two and the most sketchiest thing we've done till date. Stay tuned. Hope you guys liked that video. Smash that subscribe button. Maybe hit that like. Leave a comment below if you have any kind of questions. And remember, your friends hate you at times because you do this.